Now, reggae boy Junior Flemmings is moving on from Phoenix Rising FC. The 24-year-old forward wasn't listed among the 8 starters from this season's USL Western Conference Championship team who will return. Flemmings says a contract was offered to him, but he turned it down as he looks to explore opportunities across the Atlantic.
The club has made me an offer to bring me back, and I choose that it's the best way for us to part ways. They did make an offer, and they were interested in me coming back. And either way, my contract was up November 30th. So either way, I'm out of contract.
Now, TVJ Sports reached out to Phoenix Rising FC management team, but they did not respond to our calls. However, Phoenix FC head coach Rick Shantz told online publication AZ Central that Flemmings' contract ended and there's not a whole lot other than that to be said. Now, the coach added that he thinks he's going to be extremely successful wherever he goes. Meanwhile, Flemmings' Jamaican teammate Kevon Lambert has been retained by the United Soccer League club. Flemmings won the Golden Boot for the 2020 USL regular season after scoring 14 goals from 14 appearances, but was suspended for the playoffs for using foul and abusive language in a match against the San Diego Loyal. 24-year-old Flemmings is currently with the national team for their 2 friendlies against Saudi Arabia.